Hello everyone, it's your boy Rico the Best, and in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing on this BESTEK cigarette lighter. So here we have the BESTEK cigarette lighter, and this one is a 4-way cigarette socket splitter, and it's compatible with any vehicle once you have a cigarette lighter, and it's suitable for a 12 volt vehicle or 24 volt. So let's take a look inside the box. So inside the box here we have our cigarette lighter. We also have this adhesive tape to use to stick this maybe on your dashboard or wherever. It comes with a little manual, or not really manual, but some description about this product right here. So it is a twin cigarette lighter, as you can see, and this is 150 watt. It can be, the input voltage on this device right here is 12 volt DC or 24 volt. The output voltage is also the same. It carries two USB port, as you can see right here, which is 5 volt each, but the top one right here is 1 amp and the bottom one is 2 amp. The length of the cord is 12 inches, and basically that's it. So what you can do is use these USB port to charge your portable device, whether your cell phone, tablet, camera, whatever device you use, and you also have two cigarette lighter. So that's it, guys. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Feel free to comment, share and subscribe, and I'll be putting a link in the description where you could get this product off Amazon. Thank you. Goodbye.